You meet a woman, you think you are the best thing that ever happened to her. No, you are not. You are not. Doesn't matter who you are. You are just a human being relating with this person. As long as they still want to relate with you. If they reach a point where they don't, accept. Thank them for the time that they gave and walk away. That's just the way it should happen. And then I hear, and the Chief Justice mentioned that there are many divorces that are coming up or have been filed, and people are alarmed. Why are you alarmed? You should celebrate that people who have been together have reached a point, and now have reached a point where they don't want to be together, have taken the route that we have laid down to go and break this union. That's what has to happen. Because if it doesn't happen this way, it may happen in other ways that we don't want. And the problem again with the law itself, is that, and that is the challenge that I faced with that couple. It says it's a no-fault. We are a no-fault divorce country. In other words, you don't need to establish fault. In other jurisdictions, they just say, we have irreconcilable differences, and it's enough. In our jurisdiction, you have to say, I caught this person with so and so, and then I chased them, and then this, and then you have to, you actually have to embarrass yourself in order to get out. Yet when you walked in, we didn't interview you, we didn't ask you questions, we didn't even check whether you and this person should even get together. Because maybe if we had at that point, we would have told you, this is not the right thing for you to do at all, or at any rate, not now. But we didn't do that. So to get married, you have to get a witness. The spouse gets a witness. You go to the marriage officer's office, and you are married. But when you want out, now you have to go to court. Now you have to allege all sorts of things. Why can't you just say, well, I think I made a mistake here. I shouldn't have gone into this thing. But so in a way, the way society itself looks at these relationships imposes expectations that are unreasonable, puts pressure on people, some of them very young, inexperienced, terribly immature at times. And when they run into problems, we act shocked. And when they go to court now to get out, we frown upon it. I'm not encouraging divorce. Let me be clearly understood. I'm not. I'm encouraging harmony. And where there's disharmony, I'm encouraging people to step back, step away even from each other, and maintain that cosmic harmony that must always prevail. And so gender-based violence arises from, it seems to me, an attitude of non-acceptance of certain realities that will from time to time strike. They may not visit you once or twice. You may think you are cursed. Each time happens. Next, keep going. Keep going. As long as you're alive, close the chapter and open a different one, without violence, without any recriminations. Because when we sit here and we theorize about these things, they become so detached, so distant. It looks like there are others in society who are immune. No, pastors, professors of whatever subject, everybody, we are all human. And let us accept and understand, so that if the person looks like they want to get out, help them get out. Check with them. Are you still in or out? Nicely. No fights. This is maturity, emotional, psychological maturity. But for you, it is beyond just maturity. It is part of your training, part of your psyche, the discipline that you've been trained in, and the danger that you pose, because you know how to take a life. So don't take it. The reason they trained you this way is so that you appreciate. And ultimately, you respect the sanctity of human life. And gender-based violence is a gross violation of the sanctity of human life. It is a violation of the bodily integrity of a fellow human being, regardless of what this fellow human being may have done or not done. And I must raise the issue that I have raised, because not only has it been misconstrued and distorted, it has, there's an informal gathering, we call it Stingy Men's Association. There's another one called Men's Conference. After I made these remarks, I received threats from them. At the next meeting, we're going to expel you. And I wrote and said, no, you can't expel me without a hearing. You must summon me to a trial and I'll come and defend myself. But here's what I had said. And I had put it in very simple terms. I said, I'm now trying to a badge. In fact, Limosadi. I'm trying to a badge. I said this. And I believe this. I believe it. But what does it mean to give in this manner? It is not transactional. Don't give because you expect something in return. Don't give because you are buying a favor, or you impose a set of expectations about your gift or your giving. No. Give because it's a good thing. Makes you feel good. Doesn't matter what this person does. It's a good thing to help, to give to a fellow human being.